This video shows how to use the ReliOn Lancing Device. First step is to unlock the end cap. Twist the gray connecting collar counterclockwise and pull off the end cap. Next, get a sterile lancet and insert the lancet firmly into the lancing device and push until the lancet comes to a complete stop. Carefully twist off the round protective cap. Save this cap for disposing of the used lancet. Replace the lancing device cap back on the device, making sure they are aligned and fully seated. Twist the gray connecting collar clockwise to lock it in place. The next step is to adjust the depth setting. The device has 5 puncture depth settings. Rotate the end cap dial to adjust the puncture depth. Smaller numbers are for a shallower puncture, and larger numbers for a deeper puncture. Next, pull back the reset handle to prepare the lancing device. The release button is raised when the lancing device is primed. Press the lancing device firmly against the side of the finger and press the release button until the device clicks. Stroke your hand and finger toward the puncture site to form a drop of blood. Test immediately after you have formed a small, round blood drop, as shown. Once the blood test is completed, carefully remove the end cap from the lancing device. Place the round protective cap that you saved onto a flat surface. With the used lancet still in the lancing device, push the lancet into the center of the cap. Push the lancet ejector button forward until the lancet is ejected from the device. Discard the used lancet carefully after each use to avoid unintended lancet stick injuries. Attach and lock the end cap. Twist the gray connecting collar to lock. This is how to use the ReliOn Lancing Device. Thanks for watching.